In Islam, the beginning of the universe is not an accident. It is not a struggle. It is not a myth. It begins with a command. Be, and it is. The Qur'an states, when he decrees a matter, he only says to it, be, and it is. Qur'an 2:117. Creation is not effort, it is will. The Prophet Muhammad said, there was Allah and nothing besides him, no space, no time, no matter. In Sunni belief, time itself is created. Before the universe, there was no before in the way we understand it. The Qur'an says, and his throne was upon water. Qur'an 11:7. Scholars of al-Sunnah explain, before the heavens and earth were formed, Allah created water, and above it, the throne. Not as a myth, but as part of unseen reality. The Prophet said, the first thing Allah created was the pen. It was commanded to write what would be, destiny, before stars existed, before galaxies. There was decree. The Qur'an declares, he created the heavens and the earth in 6 days. Qur'an 7:54. These days are not necessarily human days. They are stages, phases, creation unfolded in order, with wisdom. The Qur'an says, the heavens and the earth were once joined together, and we separated them. Qur'an 21:30, a unified origin, then separation. Sunni scholars affirm the verse without forcing scientific reinterpretation. The Qur'an guides. It does not replace physics. Another verse describes, then he turned to the heaven while it was smoke. Qur'an 41:11. Early scholars understood this as a primordial state, a formless beginning, before structure, before stars. The Qur'an repeatedly says, he created everything in due measure, nothing random, nothing chaotic. The universe is not divine, but it is deliberate. The Qur'an describes the earth as shaped and prepared. And the earth, we spread it out and placed upon it firm mountains. Qur'an 15:19. Mountains, balance, provision. The universe was not only formed, it was arranged. Then came the turning point. Indeed, I am creating a human being from clay. Qur'an 38:71. Humanity did not emerge by accident. In Sunni belief, Adam was created directly, from earth, formed, then given life. The Qur'an says, and when I have fashioned him and breathed into him of my spirit. This does not mean divinity within man. It means honor, dignity, a unique status among creation. Humanity is material, but not merely material. Existence in Islam has purpose. He created death and life to test you. Qur'an 67:2. Life is not random. It is examination. Free will is real, choice is real, and accountability is real. When Iblis refused to bow to Adam, evil entered the human story. He refused and was arrogant. Qur'an 2:34. In Sunni belief, evil is not an equal force. It is rebellion, a choice. Creation itself was good. Deviation came after. Creation did not end in the past. The Qur'an says, every day he is in a matter. Qur'an 55:29, provision, life, death, sustaining. The universe is not abandoned machinery, it is continuously upheld. In Sunni theology, the Creator is distinct from creation, not inside the universe, not part of it. There is nothing like unto him. Qur'an 42:11. Creation depends on him, he does not depend on it. If the universe began, then time began, and if time began, then the one who created it is beyond it. This is the foundation of Sunni belief. Allah is eternal, creation is not. Modern science speaks of a beginning, a singularity, an expansion. Islam does not depend on scientific theory, but it clearly affirms the universe began. Allah is the creator of all things. Qur'an 39:62. Whether physics refines its models or not, the core remains. Creation is not eternal. The Qur'an says, and the heaven, we built it with strength, and indeed we are expanding it. Qur'an 51:47. Some see scientific resonance here. Sunni scholars caution, faith is not built on scientific trends. The Qur'an guides the heart. Science studies mechanisms. If matter were eternal, it would need no cause. But the Qur'an declares, Allah is the creator of everything. Everything includes matter, energy, time, laws. Only the Creator is eternal. Creation is contingent. It depends. The Qur'an says, O mankind, you are those in need of Allah, while Allah is free of need. Qur'an 35.15. The universe does not sustain itself. It exists because it is sustained. Every second is borrowed existence. Just as there was a beginning, there will be an end. The day when we will fold the heaven like the folding of a scroll. Qur'an 21:1-4. The universe is not permanent. It has an appointed time. The Qur'an describes stars dimming, mountains moving, heavens splitting. Creation is not divine, it is temporary. Only the Creator remains. As we began the first creation, we will repeat it. Qur'an 21:1-4. Creation is not a closed circle. It is a path, beginning, test, return. The Qur'an repeats, this was not done in play. We did not create the heavens and the earth in vain. Qur'an 38:27. The universe has meaning, not because we imagine it, but because it was intended. One question remains. Why create? Islam does not say that Allah needed creation. He is free of need. Creation was not necessity, it was will, it was wisdom, it was purpose. The Qur'an describes Allah as Ar-Rahman, the entirely merciful. Creation is not random power, it is an act connected to mercy. Existence itself is a gift. If the universe is created, then it is not ours to dominate absolutely. It is entrusted, amana. Human beings are caretakers, stewards, tested by how they act within creation. The Qur'an says, we will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves. The universe is not silent, it speaks. Through order, through beauty, through balance. The question is, are we listening? Some philosophies fear a universe without beginning. Islam rejects eternal matter. Eternity belongs to one alone. The universe had a start, and it will end. Only the Creator is everlasting. Every soul returns. Every atom will answer. Creation is not meaningless expansion. It is a journey toward accountability. The beginning was command. The end is judgment. Be, a command that shaped existence. If the universe exists by will, then your existence is intentional, not accidental, not irrelevant. You are here by decree. In Islam, the universe is not a mystery without meaning. It is a sign. It began, it will end, and between beginning and end, there is responsibility. The real question is not, how did it begin? But what will you do between be and return?